Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare the Porsche Cayenne versus the Audi Q7. We will explore their distinct characteristics, helping you decide which luxury SUV is the right fit for your needs. We'll cover everything from driving dynamics and engine options to interior comfort, technology, and overall value. Get ready for a detailed look at these two impressive German vehicles. When it comes to performance, the Porsche Cayenne typically offers a more athletic and engaging driving experience. Its powerful engine options, including a 348 horsepower V6 and a potent V8, provide strong acceleration. The Audi Q7, on the other hand, prioritizes a refined and comfortable ride, often featuring an adaptive air suspension system. Its base 261 horsepower four-cylinder engine offers capable performance for daily driving. Inside, the Audi Q7 stands out with its standard three-row seating, comfortably accommodating up to 7 passengers. It also boasts a generous 69.6 cubic feet of maximum cargo space. The Porsche Cayenne, while offering luxurious 5-passenger seating, focuses on a more driver-centric cockpit. It provides a still impressive 63 cubic feet of cargo capacity with its rear seats folded. Both feature premium materials and advanced infotainment systems. Ultimately, your choice depends on priorities. The Porsche Cayenne, with its sportier performance and higher starting price, appeals to those seeking a dynamic luxury SUV. The Audi Q7 offers excellent value with its standard three-row seating, comfortable ride, and competitive features. Consider your family size, driving style, and budget. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.